Let's type NVIDIA. Okay, instead of going to NVIDIA, let's type NVIDIA app. Let's go to the first link. Now let's click on download now. Let's wait for it to download. Once that is done, let's open the file. Open. Accept and continue. It's just a preference right now. I'm gonna go with game ready. You can also go with studio drivers also. Just click next and next. Now go to drivers, and then now let's click on install. If you click this drop down, you will see game studio. You can select that, and you can also click on reinstall, but right now I'm not gonna do that. Let's just have it installed right now. Once everything is downloaded, now click on install. This is going to start the installation process. I'm gonna select express, and then once that is done, it's gonna ask for a restart. You can do this later, or you can restart it right away. I'm gonna do a restart. Once the restart is done, let's just open the app. Now let's just go to driver and check the driver version. With that, our drivers has been installed now. Thanks for watching.